Steve Timmons. I'm the Assistant Director of Facilities Maintenance Operation. I'm responsible for the entire maintenance department, the grounds department, custodial department. I oversee the day-to-day operations of maintenance and small projects. Moorpark is on 156 acres. We have multiple buildings, classrooms. We have a teaching zoo on site. It's called the EATM program. It's unique to this area.
A day would be like today, for example. The beaver filtration system, the life support system, has totally grenaded itself. So I'm in the process of checking that system out and trying to troubleshoot it and figure out what the issue is there. There'll be a problem where a primate's heater isn't working properly, so I have to check and make sure, do we have electricity? Is it on a thermostat? What's happening there? It could be something as silly as a cable detachment from the lion exhibits. For example, today I had an emergency where the beaver filtration system completely shut down. Well, I have to know where to turn off the water. I already knew where to turn off the water, but if there was a new tech here, they could easily just go on the iPad, look at the ARC plans and say, oh, the water shutoff is right here. Electrical shutoff for the pump motor is right here. Easy. It's, you take safety and you make it paramount because you show them where the shutoffs are, especially for electricity. You know, the pump's running on 220. We don't want to touch that with our bare hands. That boosts the safety and the confidence of the workers, and then you know, okay, now I'm working in a safe environment, water's off, electricity's off, and now I'm safe.
But it really is about information and how you can use it. If, say for instance, I pull up an attribute, maybe it's a shutoff valve. If there's a link that takes me to the cut sheets of what that shutoff valve is from the manufacturer, that's all the more information that's helpful to me and my crews in the field.
Well, yeah, a lot of times if we're dealing with contractors, we have to be out in the field and they need to know where, say, the utilities are, and they need to know it pretty quickly. So having the iPad gives us the opportunity to look it up quickly and be able to give the contractor an answer, and they can move on with the job.
Everything inside, you can locate it very simply. Everything could be labeled properly. It's made my job here when I build something new and we make new sewer lines, we make new shutoff valves, I can input that into the system. And that way, the next person who doesn't know anything about this zoo at all, they can just look at this and go, oh, Nathan, the technician, installed electrical and plumbing right here at this spot. Oh, sure enough, there's the picture and there's the location. And you can use that in any application. You can be inside a building, you could be outside a building, you could be a football field. Everything's running underground somewhere and you want to find out where those things are, this technology can give you that.
Yeah, it'll definitely save us hours because in the past we had to go into a plan room, dig up the plans. The plans never get put back, you know, in the right spot. So trying to find plans has always been a big task for us to do. So having the iPads will definitely help us be more efficient in the field.
So when we're in the field, we use the program to access the information we've stored about the equipment that we need to make repairs on. And we can call and order parts directly from the field instead of having to come back and dig through mountains of old blueprints to find out what the model and the make of the equipment we're looking to repair or replace.
What's great about technology up here is I find is if I need a water shutoff, if I need electrical shutoff, if I have if sewer storm drains, I can easily access that on my iPad and I can look at the plans. I can see what I've inputted in my notes, and I can see what somebody else, another technician, has inputted in their notes in regards to location, type of valve it is. There's a picture we can put in that makes it excellent. That way we can actually visually see what they're describing.
I'm going to use QR codes for cleaning times and cleaning management. They scan when they go in, and then they mark off what they've done, and they scan when they go out. That helps with management, time management, as far as assigning the square footage per custodian. You know what they're capable of doing, what they're not capable of doing. As far as budgeting too, you know, staff, do we need more staff? Are we good with the staff we have?
The ARC program is excellent for any company, organization that wants to save time, be organized, and utilize their people more effectively.